everybody, welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to be the Christmas jewelry swap video that I did with Jahndra. So most of you know that myself, Jahndra, Elizabeth, and Emily have done jewelry swaps for Christmas, and this will be me opening up the swap I received from Jahndra. Jahndra, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what you picked. All right, we are going to start with the card. Such a pretty card. Look, Presley, look at the pretty card. Aw, so pretty. This is Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Nicole. I had so much fun unboxing your package. Mine is nowhere as great as yours. I doubt it. But I hope you love the items I picked out for you. Enclosed are some goodies for your little one, plus something you can hang on your tree. I couldn't find your initials, so I got this instead. Thank you so much again for being a great friend. Merry Christmas to you and yours. Love, Jahndra. Aw, Merry Christmas, Jahndra. Presley's gonna love some of the goodies. I think I already see them. Presley.
What are those?
These are Reese's trees. They're peanut butter cup trees.
Can I grab one?
Yeah, what's this one?
What is this?
That is a chocolate marshmallow.
Can I eat some of it?
Yeah, you wanna open it?
Yeah.
While I do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna eat some of it. I need to see how it tastes.
I bet it's gonna be tasty. There you go.
It looks so tasty.
Yeah.
I wonder what.
Oh.
Mom, I wonder if there's ice cream inside this.
I think it's not ice cream.
And what is
I
it?
think it's a marshmallow. Presley, look at this ornament.
It does not look like a marshmallow.
It might be a chocolate marshmallow. What is this letter?
R.
No, it's not R.
P.
It is P. P for what?
P for Presley.
P for Presley.
But it has this.
That's because it's like cursive. That's like an extra little cursive. It's pretty writing. Do you like that? Can you look in the camera and say, thank you, Jahndra?
Thank you, Jahndra. What? I have some in my mouth.
Oh my gosh, why can I not open this ornament?
Thank you, Jahndra.
Aww. All right, look, Presley, you can hang this on the tree.
Is that an ornament?
It is an ornament with your initial, with your letter.
Then don't know that's my ornament. Mom, can I say thanks? Mom, is that my ornament?
Yes.
So I get to do the honors on putting it onto the tree?
Yes, you get to do the honors of putting it onto the tree. Now or later, sweetie? Okay, later. Later. She's too busy enjoying this chocolate marshmallow. Oh, and then you could put these on the window.
Are they stickers?
Kind of. They're little window clings. So cool. Awesome. Thank you thank you so much. These are so fun and so festive. Okay. We have very beautifully wrapped items. We'll go to move the box out of the way. Okay.
Mom, this is so sweet.
It's so sweet. I'm sure it is.
Do you want to taste it?
I'll taste it in a little bit, okay? This one says, open me first. So we will do that. I don't even want to open this. Jahndra, you wrap like really, really pretty. These are really good bows.
Look at what I'm doing. I'm feeding his medicine to my giraffe.
Yeah?
I think that's enough because he'll get sick with all of it. So that's enough of this for tonight for giraffe.
I love your choice of wrapping paper. So I love wrapping paper that's sparkly sparkly wrapping paper makes me so happy.
I want to help you open it.
You want to help me open it? Okay, come closer. Come over. All right, let's see.
Be careful not to squirt this inside people's eyes.
Let's see which one she picked. Do I let you guys see first or me see first? Yes, I got Jiminy Cricket. Oh,
Mom, can I open one of the presents for you?
You can. Look, babe, Jiminy Cricket.
Oh.
Oh my
Mom,
gosh.
Can I get opening one?
Okay, so yes. Here, hold on, let's see. You can start. This one says open me second, so start opening this, okay? Okay, so here's a funny story. How the swapped worked is we gave each other wish list items that we wanted, but that we wouldn't.
Can you take off this so I can wrap it?
Yeah. That we wouldn't buy ourselves, like whether there was a promo coming or anything. It's something that we could wait for. And I really wanted Jiminy Cricket, and I thought I could wait for it. So anyway, like right after we gave these wish lists, we did, or Pandora had a Disney sale for the crossbody, and I'm like, darn it, I would have totally gotten Jiminy Cricket, but I can't.
Wow.
But I can't do it because what if I get it? And I got it, so I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I already love it.
Wow, she's gooder than me. She's gooder when putting tape on.
She is.
Yeah. I'm really fast at putting tape
Come closer
on.
so we can see you.
What do I do?
Continue to, sorry, you're like squished.
So what do I say?
You don't have to say anything.
I want to say, I don't know what your name is.
You know Jahndra's gonna be watching this. All right.
So, I know.
Oh my gosh, this has stars on it. Yes, and it's Pinocchio. Okay, this is my other one. Oops, I'm shaking the table. This is the other one that I was like, I need this. I don't know if I can wait. I got them. Jahndra, I'm like really, really happy. I don't know why you said this wasn't gonna be as good. This is so good. So good.
Is this Pinocchio?
That's Pinocchio.
I've never seen Pinocchio charm.
You've never seen the charm? We should watch the movie so we can remember it. Thank you so much. Okay,
What
so
does that say?
this one says, open last, something to remember me by. So this is gonna be something to remember Jahndra. Let's pull on the ribbon, okay? Isn't her ribbon so pretty?
Yeah.
I love her ribbon.
So do we have to open it?
Yeah, you gotta untie the ribbon
Why?
so we can get to what's inside the package.
Is this yours? This yours?
Yeah.
Let me open it because I'm the one that wants to open presents.
Okay. We're gonna let Presley open this one too. I'm like so excited. I don't know why. I didn't think Jahndra would choose Disney, or actually wasn't sure that these would be the ones that would have been selected. So I was like, okay, if I don't get these by Christmas, then we'll have an after Christmas sale and maybe I'll get these there. But I'm so thankful that I already have them. What is this gonna be?
I'm just gonna open it.
Okay. Aww.
That's nice of her.
That is so nice of her, isn't
What
it?
is this?
This is another bracelet.
Is this to go around here?
Around your neck? No, it's for the hands. Thank you so much.
Mom, can I please try
So one,
on?
you did break the rules too. We all had like confessions we were giving each other because we're really only supposed to do 2 items. But I love these strand bracelets. What? The little balls? I love the strand bracelets. I think they're so pretty and dainty. Thank you so very much. That was such an...
Is there another present?
No, that's it. That was such a thoughtful add-in. I will totally think of you when I wear this. Do you know I've actually never even seen these in real life, so I'm just really admiring
Can I try this?
You can. Jahndra, thank you so much.
This is really hard to open.
Okay, hold on. Thank you so much, and so thoughtful to think of adding some treats for Presley. I'm gonna definitely help her eat the Reese's peanut butter tree because they are some of my favorite. I love everything. I love everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for those of you watching, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up.
Are these your favorite too?
They are my favorite too. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about the items that I got in this jewelry swap. And
look at my finger all full of glitter.
And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to check out Jahndra's video of her unboxing the gifts that I got her. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.